feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh, Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy. She a murder me. She dey murder me. His body, baby, oh. Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, Lega. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it, family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up, me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine Winston. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good kiss. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me, pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low.
Hey guys, what's up? It is Alicia Jones. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am installing Afri Naptural, and this is the Caribbean style. I bought 6 packs and I used just about all of it. I got this in the color T1B30 and it's 18 inches and it is the water wave Caribbean style. Okay, so you can use this hair for passion twist if you want to. For this install, this hair, it is way too big for me. So I would suggest, if you want it to stay small, just install the hair as is. okay? Don't pull it apart. But if you want to pull it apart 3 times. What I did was only pulled it apart twice, and then I almost ran out of hair. So I believe I have 11 to 12 braids across the front, and then y'all know I do my regular zigzag pattern in the back. But I cut the hair from its 18 inches, but I cannot find my razor comb, and I need to find that because I definitely want to trim this hair out and make it smaller. So yeah, but I will be back with a review for this hair most definitely, so you guys stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for tuning into my video today. If you're not subscribed, please be sure you hit that subscribe button, like, share this video. I'll be back with a review in about 3 weeks, and I've cut down my review times to 3 weeks so I can try some new hair, because y'all know I be getting kind of bored. But yeah, so y'all see I gotta finish cutting it. I would have preferred for it to be this length instead of this, but whatever, we gonna make it work. But yeah, y'all, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting